Hello and welcome back to my channel, Dr. Mobo. In this video I'm going to show you quickly how you can change a YouTube channel name. So let's start. First of all, open a login to your YouTube studio, and in YouTube studio you have to come here on the left sidebar and you will see here the scroller, and if you click on the scroller a little bit, scroll it down, and you will see here after monetization you will see customization. If you click on customization, you will see here layout button. Here you can set layout of your channel, what videos you want to start on the starting, you want to show on the front page. So branding, here you can set your logo, and in the end last button you will see basic info, and here you can see your you can change your channel name. If you click here on the pencil button, edit button, and you can add any channel name. Okay, now after replacing here, what you have to do is you must have to click here on the publish button. If you don't click on the publish button, it won't change. So you, after changing your name of your channel, simply click on the publish button and it will be change your channel name. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo. Thank you.